Well, the tactical, I let that for my players. I'm not going to tell everybody how we are going to play tomorrow. But what you have to know that we just want to go to the final. Yes, we play 3 times this year against Yanga. We draw in championship. We lose 2-1 in championship, 2-1, and 1 by penalty. So that means we are close. We are close. These two teams are close. So tomorrow we want the victory in our side. We are close. We are going to work. We watch the video. We talked about these 3 games. So we know where we did mistakes. Now we are going to. I hope we work enough to correct what we did bad and to win tomorrow. We know that it's the best team here in Tanzania. It's a big challenge for us to beat them. We are like in challengers, in boxing. We are challengers, so we have to do more in order to beat the champion. If we withdraw, they keep the title. So it's in ourselves. We have to work hard to be better than Yanga in technically, tactically, physically also. But the most thing is, I think, like the last time we played against, it was mental. They were better than us in the mental. They win it more than us. So tomorrow, I think we are going to correct that. Most of all, I talk to you, we are in the end of the season. We don't have a lot of things to change, And in the first question, I talked about mental. It's the most important. They have to want it more, because technically and tactically, I think we are close. If you took that, we see that we have the same defense. We concede 9 goals themselves also. They are better than us because they score more. We are close, and the difference, I think, in the pitch will be if our players want it more. We are good. We are not complaining. Really, we are not complaining. It's the end of the season. The players are a bit tired because the season was a long one. We play a lot. We start early, and there is only 5 games remain, and but the expectation to play the final and to win it, it's a big booster. It's a big booster. So we forget the fact we are tired. I said it one more time that I'm going to let that to my players, but Yanga, they change a bit with the new coach. It's a bit different. It's a team with players who move a lot. You can see Zengeli inside and outside. He come inside. He go outside. Okello come inside. He go outside. Zuzwa the same. They move a lot, and it's difficult to play against a team where players move a lot. So, as I tell you, we know that. They have good striker. Djube run a lot, run fast. He's fast, and he can score with left foot, right foot, and with his head. So it's a complete team. In the defense also, they are very strong. It's difficult to play against this team. They are not so much fluid, but they are really strong. They are really strong, and they have very strong in the duel. If you do remember the first game they scored against us in the last game, the midfielder can kill Faye when he put the tackle. If Faye put his leg, I think he go direct to the hospital. So they are strong. They can play physical. They can play technical. But we have also some lessons we learn also. So tomorrow we are going to play a full game. I hope tomorrow Yanga will be on top. Yanga will be on top, and Azam also to play the best semi-final as possible.
Mwaka huu tumecheza mechi 3. Nafikiri 2 zilisha dakika 90 kwa draw, moja tu ambayo tulipoteza dakika 90 kwa tofauti ya goli moja. Kwa hiyo kusema tunashindwa maana yake tutakuwa tumefungwa mechi zote 3. So sidhani kama kuna kushindwa, ila tunapoenda kucheza hasa michezo inayoamua kama ya nusu finali au quarter final na nini, inahitaji mshindi mmoja. So ikitokea tumeshinda ni sawa, itakao umeshinda ni sawa, lakini niwahakikishieni kwamba kesho tunaenda kwa ajili ya kushinda mchezo. Tutafanya kile kilicho ndani ya uwezo wetu kuweza kushinda mchezo na kuwapa mchezo mzuri washabiki wataangalia mchezo kwenye TV au watakuja uwanjani. Kikubwa ni kufurahia wakati ambao tunao, kwa sababu tunacheza, huu ni mchezo, cha msingi ni furaha. So tunaenda kushinda, lakini twende tuka enjoy, na mimi tukienda kuenjoy inatusaidia hata sisi kwenda kuonyesha mchezo mzuri na kupata matokeo. Kwa kikubwa ni kuambia hicho, wasiwe na pressure, tucheze, tufurahie, tuweze kushinda michezo. Nafikiri mashindano yalikuwa mazuri sana. Nikizungumzia kwa upande wetu, kuwa mepesi sana lakini hakuwa mabaya. Nafikiri tulipata challenges nzuri, tulishinda michezo yetu yote hadi kufika hapa. So yalikuwa na mashindano mazuri sana na naamini yataendelea kuwa hivyo, na kesho tutajitahidi kushinda mchezo mmoja zaidi ili kwenda kufika katika final. So far mashindano ni mazuri sana na yamekuwa mazuri sana upande wetu.